We often wait for renewal to arrive like a thunderstorm, a dramatic ground-shaking event that changes everything in an instant. But true, lasting change rarely announces itself so loudly. It doesn't arrive with a grand declaration. Instead, renewal begins quietly, almost imperceptibly, in the smallest, most overlooked moments of our day. It's a whisper, not a shout. It's the gentle turning of a page, not the slamming of a door. This quiet beginning is where the real work is done, where the foundation for a more peaceful existence is laid, one small, intentional breath at a time. It might start with a slightly calmer morning, the choice to wake just a few minutes earlier, not to rush, but to simply be, to feel the warmth of a mug in your hands before the day's demands begin, noticing the steam unfurl like a secret. It could be the simple act of watering a plant, a quiet exchange of care that grounds you in the present. These are not monumental achievements, but they are anchors. They are small pockets of peace you create for yourself, proving that you have the power to shape your own experience, moment by moment. Renewal can also be found in a kinder thought. When the familiar voice of self-criticism arises, you meet it not with resistance, but with a gentle acknowledgement, and then you let it go. Or perhaps it's a better reaction, pausing for a single deep breath before you speak, choosing a softer word, a more patient response. This is where the shift deepens, moving from the external world to your internal landscape. It's the practice of offering yourself the same grace you would so readily offer to a friend. It's tidying a corner of your mind. These small things, the quiet morning, the kind thought, the patient reaction, are the seeds from which a larger renewal grows. They are not isolated incidents. They are interconnected threads weaving a new pattern for your life. Each one builds upon the last, creating a quiet momentum. The world outside continues its frantic pace, but inside, you are cultivating a sanctuary of calm. You are learning to find stillness, not in the absence of noise, but within it. So don't dismiss the small positive shift. Don't wait for the earthquake. Value the gentle breeze through an open window, the comfort of a tidy space, the feeling of rain against the glass. These are the signs. This is the process. Renewal is already here, in the quiet corners of your life, waiting to be noticed. Notice one small renewal today.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.